Hola, good people. Hola. All right. Make sure y'all hit the like button too. Don't be haters your whole life. Okay. Let me know if y'all in here. Type y'all name, okay? What's up, Mariah and Gabby? Oh, everybody give it up for Mariah and Gabby. They woke up. Yeah. What's up, Benjamin? Hola, Thomas. Roberto. What's up, Roberto? Danielson. All right. Yesel, I see you. Eliana, where you been? Missed class last week. You skipping. Hola, Andrea. Hi, Miss Lino, Darlene, Jacayla. Everybody give it up for Gabby. She got her Star Masters book. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. What's up, Cesar? Chris? You was about to go to sleep. Mariah, why you always sleeping? All right. Everybody that's waiting, you know, I always give a couple of minutes for y'all sleepyheads to wake up. The I do problem, page 16. All right. Yes, Cesar, the school is closed. It's closed. Nobody's up there. I need to get some food too, Gabby. As soon as this is over, I'm going to go get me some food too. Well, I'm probably going to go in there and make me some hot dogs or something. You know, I'm struggling. Hola, Valeria. By time, Edwin, you missed class last week. Thank you, Benjamin, for setting an alarm so you can get up and come to class, okay? Thank you. Oh, my cousin Chrisette is on here. She's only 9, but she's going to learn how to round decimals. I know, Jacayla, you skipped class. Got 2 zeros, ma'am. All right. Give 1 more minute. If you have your book, I already typed in. It's page 16. We doing rounding decimals today. All right. Something real easy. Hey, we doing rounding decimals. You're on Google Classroom. Okay, Chris said. Fancy. All right. We're doing rounding decimals today. All right. This is the I do problem. Rounding decimals. All right. This is number 1 on page 16, in case you wonder. Hey, okay, I see you. Najee, I see you, Najee. All right, we're doing rounding decimals today. All right, we'll start in about 30 seconds. We're going to start, all right? What's Chris? My little cousin Chrisette calling me. Chrisette, what do you want? I'm supposed to be on my live teaching. What do you want? No, let me call you back. I got to teach my kids. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye. Sorry, that was my little cousin. She called me on the other line. All right. All right, so we're going to get started. All right. This is page 16, number 1. All right. Rounding decimals. All right. This is the I do problem for today. All right. If you have your books, you can read with me. It says, if rounded to the nearest tenth, 386 and 269 thousandths would round to blank. Would it round to A, 386.2, B, 386.3, C, 386.35, and D, 390.0. All right. Again, the place value spot, it says rounded to the tenth. All right. All right. Now, let me ask you a question before we get started. If we are rounding to the tenths place, what should the hundredths place be? You can type in your answer. What do you do with the hundredths place if you're rounding to the tenths place? Your cell says 6. If you're rounding to the 10th place, if I'm rounding to the 10th place, in the answer, what should the hundreds be? That's what I meant to say. All right? All right, maybe y'all not understanding. Y'all saying 6. Yes, the 6 is in the hundreds place, right? Mariah's is what I was trying to say. Good, Mariah. It's 0. I said if you're rounding to the 10th place, in your answer, what should be in the hundreds place? It should be a 0. All right? Now, the reason why Chrisette needs to come to my class is because my little cousin Chrisette saying she thinks it's C. All right? But if you were in my class, Chrisette, you would know the answer is not C because I'm rounding to the 10th place. And if you write this number, 386 and 269 thousandths, if you write it in a place value chart, you will realize that all of these are whole numbers, right? So that means this is 1's place, this is 10 wholes, and this is 100. All right, but this is 1/10. Let me get a better marker. This is 1/10. This is 100, and this is 1,000. All right. Now, I'm supposed to be rounding to the nearest tenth, which means I'm supposed to be rounding the 2. Right? When you round, there is only 2 things that can happen when you round. Either the 2 stays the same and it's 386.2, or the 2 can go up by 1 to 3 and it's 386.3. So the only 2 answers it could be is A or B, right? If the number stays the same or if it goes up by 1. C is automatically wrong because it has hundreds. I'm supposed to be rounding to the nearest tenth, bro. C is gone automatically. Now, look at D. D says 390. Can anybody tell me what did you do to get 390? It's a sniper. Can anybody name the sniper that is 390? D is a sniper. Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me what is D as in dog? What is D? Good, Valeria. Valeria is exactly right. D is the place value sniper. This 9, this 90, that's 10 holes. So to get 390, you took this 6 and told that 8 to go up by 1 to 9. So D, you rounded to the nearest tens place, which means this is a place value sniper. You're in the wrong place value spot. You confuse the 10 holes with the tenths with a TH. Right? Now, some of y'all typing in A, some of y'all typing in B. All right? So let's go back to it. Y'all know it ain't C or D. All right? Now, again, 386 and 269 thousandths. I'm rounding to the nearest 10th. Right? Chrisette says, what's a sniper? A sniper is a wrong answer choice, Chrisette, that's designed to catch you not paying attention. Just like real snipers are designed to catch you not paying attention. Right? Now, if you are not paying attention to the place value of 10, then you'll realize that, hey, you're not realizing you're supposed to round the 2. Right? Now, what is behind the 2? Behind the 2, you have a 6. Right? And what does the 6 tell the 2 to do? Does the 6 tell the 2 to stay the same? Or does the 6 tell the 2 to go up to 3? Gabby, wrong. Valeria, wrong. It's telling it to go up to 3. Jacayla, wrong. So I'm glad this is why I had to teach rounding. All right? It's okay. Let me remind you the rules of rounding. If the number behind it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the number stays the same. If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the number goes up by 1. All right? Now, the 6 is the number that you look for right here, right? I'm going to round the 2, but I need to use the number behind it. The number behind it is a 6. And since the number behind it is 6, I find 6. 6 is on this row. So according to this 6 right here, the number needs to go up by 1. So what that 6 is doing, the 6 is telling the 2 to go up by 1, and it becomes a 3. And everything in front of it stays the same. And yes, Najee, the answer is B. All right? The answer is B. All right? So obviously, I need to review rounding because some of y'all on here have sleep. It's A. It's A. Wake up. Wakey, wakey, wakey. All right? Now, look, tomorrow you guys were supposed to take the math star test. Just remember that. Remember, tomorrow is supposed to be the math star. Right? Right? Now, don't worry. Let's get some more practice. All right? I'm going to do the next one. Let's do the we do problem. All right? I'm going to type in the we do problem. The we do problem is page 16, number 4. Yeah, some of y'all talking about, whoo, yeah, y'all lucky it ain't the star test tomorrow. Some of y'all would have been summerschool.com. All right, let me change the problem. Let me get ready for the we do. Now, this is the we do problem. All right. The we do problem is number 4 on page 16. All right. So all I did was write the answer choices on page 16, number 4. I just wrote them out like this. All right. Now, the we do problem says when rounded to the nearest hundredth, which number equals 61 and 35 hundredths? All right. So this is the opposite of the other problem. In number 1, you was given a place value spot of tenths, and basically you was given that one number and say round it to the nearest tenth, and the answer was one of them. This is the opposite. This is giving you the rounded answer, and you're trying to figure out which number did you have before you rounded. Right? So this one is the opposite, or reverse rounding. All right. All right. So if you're in my class, you're looking like, okay, let me look at my answer choices, because I programmed you to look at the answer choices before you started. And what I see is Jacayla said D is out. All right. And she's exactly right. Jacayla, D is out. It's out because in the 100, if you're rounded to the nearest 100, the 8 gonna tell that 4 to go up to 5, but the numbers in front of it not the same. So you're exactly right, Jacayla. D is out. All right. So we're gonna cross that one out. All right. Jacayla got rid of one of them for you. All right. Now, if we look at all of them, one of these answers needs to round to the nearest 100. All right. And in case y'all didn't know, the 100 is the second spot behind the decimal point. So if you round it to the nearest 100, you round in the second number behind the decimal point. All right. Now, what is another one that's wrong? Can anybody tell me another one that's wrong? All right. Cesar. Cesar says A is out, right? Good, Cesar. Because if I need a 5 to be in the hundreds place, this 2 will never turn into 5 in the hundreds place. Because when rounding, it can either stay the same or go up by 1. So this 2 can either stay at 2 or go up to 3. There's no way it's going to be 5. Ooh. So that one's gone too. All right. Now you good with them. You got a 4 and you got a 4. If they go up by 1, it'll land on 5. All right. So we'll just round these two. All right. Now, the rules of rounding. Let me remind you again, because some of y'all a little special. The rule of rounding is the number behind it. Look at the number behind it. If the number behind it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the number in front of it stays the same. All right? If the number behind it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the number goes up. All right? So, if you look behind the 4, you see a 3. And 3 is telling that number to stay the same. So this will be the same at 4. That will be a 3 in front of it, point, and then a 61 in front of it. That's how you know that that one is incorrect, because I need to go to 5. But if you look at this one is a 9. And because this is 9, that's telling it to go up by 1. So this 4 is gonna go up by 1 to 5. Excuse my dog. If some of y'all can hear my dog barking in the back. I guess somebody delivering a package or something. But this is a 5, that's a 3, that's 61, which means C is the answer. All right. All right. Any questions about the rule around it? All right. Now remember, the rule applies to the number behind it. All right. The number behind it. Hold on one second. Sorry about that. My wife had ordered something from Amazon. Right, that was the doorbell. But anyway, when you're rounding, you circle the spot that you're rounding to. Whatever place value spot the problem says to round to, you circle that spot. All right. So I'm rounding to the hundreds. So I have to circle every number in the 100 spot. All right. Now the spot behind it, you use the rule on. The spot behind it, you use the rules. Right? Again, the rule is if the spot behind it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then the circle spot stays the same. If the spot behind it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the circle spot goes up by 1. All right? Chris said, I don't know what's in this package. I don't open people's mail. That's a federal crime, okay? I'm just going to give it to her. All right? All right. Valeria say coronavirus. All right. Any questions about rounding? Some of y'all need to watch this video again. All right. Some of y'all scary. Okay, let me wipe it down. Okay, let me get the package. Show y'all I wiped it down. Okay. All right, you see it? All right, you happy now? All right, cool. All right. All right, we good. All right. So let me erase this. I'm gonna do like 2 more rounding problems and we'll be good. All right. While I'm erasing this, Benjamin, type in a number. Type in a decimal, Benjamin. Okay. All right, Benjamin gonna give me a number, and I want see Cesar. Tell me what spot you want me to round Benjamin number to once he give it to us. Okay. Mariah Perry, I'm gonna go wash my hands after I'm done teaching this lesson. Okay. Okay. Brittany is upstairs. We go to the hospital on Thursday at 10 o'clock in the morning. We're having a baby at 12. All right. So we go to the hospital on Thursday. Well, she having a baby. I'm just gonna be there eating chips. She having a baby on Thursday. Benjamin, type in, give me a decimal. All right. Benjamin, you messing up my class. Now everybody talking about they gonna go get some food and all that. Benjamin, type in a decimal. Hurry up. And say sorry. What spot you want to round to, bro? Benjamin, why you gonna type that old easy decimal in there? Benjamin talking about 2.34. A little old baby problem, bro. That goo goo gaga problem. All right. Cesar, all right, we're gonna round it to the tenth. So Cesar says let's round it to the tenth, right? We're gonna round it to the nearest tenth. All right. Now, what spot is in the tenth place? Type it in. If you know what number's in the tenth spot, type it in. And some of y'all don't be waiting till somebody else type the answer in and try to copy either. Y'all some virtual cheaters, okay? Good, Chris, Darlin, Angel, good. The 3 is in the tenth place, all right? If that's the decimal point, then that means this is the ones place, this is the tenths place, and this is the hundreds place. All right? Yourself, the 4 is in the hundreds place. The 4 is 2 spots behind the decimal point. All right? I wanted the tenths place, which is right behind the decimal point. All right? So I'm going to round this 3. All right? Now, if I'm rounding this 3 to the 10th place, if I'm rounding to the 10th place, the 3 will either stay the same or it will go up to 4. So the only 2 answers I have is 2.3 if it stays the same, or 2.4 if it goes up. These are my only 2 answers. All right? So if I'm rounding to the 10th place, I look at the spot behind it, which is the hundredths place. Now, again, my rule is if the underlying number behind it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it stays the same. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it goes up. Because this is a 4, it's going to stay the same, which means 2.3 is the answer. Good. Everybody typing it in. Good. All right. Let me erase this. Darlene, type in a decimal for me, okay? While I erase it. Mariah Perry, don't nobody care about your food because your cousin is cooking for you. They ain't gonna give me none. All right, darling. I'm gonna type in your number, okay? Um, Miss Lino, tell me what place value spot you want to round to. All right. Look at Darlene's number and tell me what spot you want to round it to. All right. Darlene's number is 235 and 897,000. Ms. Lino says she wants to round to the hundreds, right? So we're gonna round it to the hundredths, right? Now, if you notice, Ms. Lino typed in hundredths with a TH, which means that it's gonna be behind the decimal point, right? So Gabby said the 9. Gabby is exactly correct. The 9 is in the hundredth spot, right? Once you figure out what number is in the spot that you want to round, you only got two answer choices. Either it's going to stay the same or it's going to go up by 1. So my only two answers are 235.89 if it stays the same, or 235.90 if it goes up by 1. Right? Those are my only two answer choices. If this 100 stays the same, it's going to stay at 89. If it goes up by 1, what is 9 going to go up to 10? It's going to be a 0, and you're going to carry the 1 over and make it 90. These are my only two answer choices. Right? Now, you're going to use this rule again on the number behind your spot. If my spot is my hundreds, the number behind it is the thousands place. And I have a 7, right? The 7 is right here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 is telling it to go up, right? Which means, like all y'all already typed in, this is the answer. All right? Good. Darlene, yourself, Miss Lino, Jacayla, Valeria, Angel, good. Gabby, good. All right. So we have any questions about rounding? All right. Any questions? I'm glad y'all knocked the dust off of y'all brain because some of y'all was rusty. Some of y'all messed that first problem all the way up. All right. So I'm going to type in your independent practice. Your independent practice is page 17. Page 17 has 5 problems. Page 17, 1 through 5 is independent practice. All right. Some of y'all, thank y'all for those of you who've been sending me all your homework. All right. It's been making it easy for me to give y'all grades. All right. Thank y'all. All right. Any questions before I go? Any questions? You got your report card? I told you they was gonna mail it. Yeah, they're probably gonna. For those of you who haven't got it, you need to look. Your report card is gonna be in the mail. All right, Jakayla, I won't end it. Okay, I'm not gonna end it. What Mr. T, if we don't send you to pick up the homework, we have a grade? Nope. What? How am I graded? You got to send me the picture. Any any questions? Cesar said, when can I go for work? You mean go to the school? I don't know. The school gonna be closed, Cesar, so I don't know. I'll go with y'all. Let me see. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all be quiet. Shh. Wife. What you doing? They wanted to see you. Stop. She gonna beat me. She gonna curse me out. I already know she gonna curse me out. When y'all get off live, she gonna beat me up. But she tired, y'all. She tired. We're gonna have this. Well, she gonna have a baby Thursday, so she tired. You say, imagine you tripping down the stairs. Forget you, Thomas. Yeah, Jacayla. She mad at me, Jacayla. I ain't gonna. She probably gonna beat me up. Y'all gonna see me with a black eye. Mm-hmm. She gonna beat me up. But it's cool. I'm tough. She be alright. She be alright. Anyway, what y'all wanna learn about tomorrow? It's Jacayla talking about you deserve it. Well, how I deserve it, Jacayla? How? Yeah, that's right, Mariah. You better tell Thomas he wrong. Anyway, we say y'all don't want to learn nothing tomorrow. You gonna learn. Stop do means that I went back downstairs to Kayla, so chill. Anyway, she be alright. No, I'm gonna teach y'all some more tomorrow. We might do rounding again because y'all did horrible at the beginning of this lesson. Yeah, we did division, Jacayla. You didn't do division, but we already did division. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give y'all some star test questions, Valeria. You right. You smart, Valeria. I'm gonna give y'all some star test questions tomorrow because you would have took the star test tomorrow anyway. All right. What y'all doing for the rest of the day? What y'all finna do? I'm finna go get beat up by my wife. Then I'm gonna go get me something to eat. Nothing. Y'all just chilling, sleeping and eating, huh? But y'all better exercise. Y'all gonna come back super fat when school let in. Y'all gonna be slow as hell. Sleeping and eating, huh? All y'all gonna be El Gordo, right? Darlene, you say you watching Netflix. Hey, y'all watch Tiger King on Netflix? Hey, bro, that series crazy as hell. Thomas say he finished Netflix. You better watch some Hulu then. Anyway, yeah, just to let y'all know, the baby is coming Thursday. Thursday at 12 noon, I believe. All right. So I'm gonna teach today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Thursday, I'm gonna be at the hospital at 12 having a baby, so I'm not gonna teach Thursday. And then Friday, you off. Okay. So I'm gonna teach Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week, and then you'll be good. Then I'll teach again. I'll pick back up next Monday. All right. All right. Any questions? Just inbox me on Instagram. All right. Or you can send me an email to my email. To my email. All right. Again, let me type it in. That's my email, and y'all already know my Instagram. All right. Love y'all. Peace out. I'm finna go get beat up by my wife. She gonna beat me up. All right.